They're supposed to have the noise cancellation technology. I wouldn't say it has that, but hi everyone. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the K9 wireless microphone for Android and iPhone. But if this is your first time here, hi, good to have you here. I'm Faith Ozu, and on this channel I document my digital entrepreneur journey. So guys, I got this microphone over a year ago. I have been using it for more than a year now. I have been meaning to do a review of this wireless microphone, but I have just been postponing it. So of recent, my baby played with the carton and kind of did a lot with it. So I thought I should review it before. I don't know, let me not even think about it. But yeah, this is a review of the K9 wireless microphone. The microphone came in a pair of two, like this. It came in a pair of two. They are wireless, obviously, and that's why I wanted it. They are wireless and they're supposed to have the noise cancellation technology. I wouldn't say it has that, but the fact that it is able to concentrate my voice, it is able to prioritize, kind of put my voice over what is around in the environment. I think it kind of has a noise cancellation technology, if that is what they mean. But there is still noise in the background when you record your video, but when you are outdoor, that's when you feel the effects better, because you know outdoor is very noisy, so it picks the voice that is closest to it. So I think I would consider it more of an outdoor microphone than an indoor microphone. Indoor, I just realized that I don't really need a microphone vlogging indoors. So this, I would recommend it for outdoor microphone. So if you look at this now, this is an iPhone mouth, all right, and so the microphone, the ones that I see online these days, come with it's either it comes with a Type-C mouth here, or it comes with an attachment where you attach it and it kind of gives you the Type-C mouth where you attach it to your phone. This phone is a Type-C mouth right now, but what I'm using to film is an iPhone, and so I use it to film with my iPhone because why not? It is affordable. As at the time I bought it, two pair, I bought it for 10,000 ish. I can't remember the exact figure, but if you want to buy a pair of it, it used to go for I think around 5,000, but now it should be around 6,000 naira on Jumia. I checked the current price and one was going for 10,349 naira. That is the one without Type-C, no attachments, no Type-C extra. But the one with Type-C is going for 12,500 naira, which is like 200 naira. No, that's like, oh, that's right, that's about 2,300 naira difference, 2,300 naira difference, which I think it's worth it. So if you're going to be getting it, I would recommend that you get the Type-C and the iPhone mouth, because you never can tell when you will be changing device. So it's a plus, because all these devices which are being directly affected by exchange rate keeps getting more and more expensive as the day pass by. Now I like this microphone especially because it is lightweight, no cord. You can literally put this in a very small purse. All right, it is lightweight and it is portable. I don't know, the other microphone I used to use is also lightweight, but it is not portable because it has wire, so I have to like roll the wire before it can fit in my purse. But this one, I can either put it in this case, which makes it bulky, or I just look for a very nice spot in my purse and put them. I use them a lot when I go for my real estate outings where it is noisy. This thing keeps falling, and that takes me to the next point, which is it is durable. I cannot count how many times this thing has fallen off my hand, especially me that have kids around. So this stuff has fallen out of my hand several times. Not just me, my kid, even this muffs, this they always want to take this muff out of it and chew it somehow. It's looking like chewing gum for them. So, and I've also caught them a few times trying to put it in the mouth. All right, so after all that treatment, this microphone remains the same. It works the same as new. Like it works like it still work like when it was new. So it is durable. If you're looking to buying this one of this wireless microphone, I noticed that they come in different brand name, but this very one I'm using is the F4 wireless microphone. You could also buy the K9 wireless microphone. That one is as well good. All right, so what I noticed is that it comes with a very short charger. The charger it came with is a type C. It's a type C mouth charger. If you can see this, it's a type C mouth charger and it is very short, which works fine because I charge it with power bank. So I would not even recommend that you charge this type of device directly with NEPA. Okay, try to charge it with power bank because I don't think their voltage is that high, so step it down with power bank so that it can last for you. The other feature is that it comes with these muffs which blocks out dust from, you know, blocking the microphone mouth. It also blocks out saliva or any form of liquid. I know you might be talking and then you are spitting, or in my own case my children putting the muffs in their mouths. But what I'm trying to say, most times people hold it like this, so instead of maybe accidentally, you know, spraying spit inside of this your microphone that could get it rusted or start misbehaving, this muff, you know, keeps it protected. And that's one of the things I like about it. It kind of make it look professional with this muff. All right, so they work in pairs. One person can use it and it's kind of sync together. And the distance, the distance is a good one. You could stay in one room and then go to the next room and your voice will still be as good as, you know, it is when you're close to the phone. So if you're looking forward to buying it, please go ahead and buy it. It's a good investment, especially for outdoor vloggers. Yeah, I think that is everything I wanted to say. I don't know if you have any question about this very microphone. Sorry, the packaging has I promise you I tried my best to keep it clean, but these ones, they've been, you know, doing too much. But then the packaging helps to protect it as well. This is the package it came with and it's good. I just always keep it back here when I'm done. All right, practical time. I'm recording this video without any microphone. I'm going to plug in this microphone now and you see the difference. So notice my voice right now. This is me talking while the microphone is plugged in now. You have to turn the microphone. Oh my god. Okay, so this is me talking to the microphone now. Notice the difference. You have to plug it in, like you have to turn it on before use, and that's one disadvantage to it, because just like you saw just now, this one's battery is low and that's why it's blinking. Oh, you didn't notice it. If you notice, this one is blinking right now. It does not even want to turn on. Meanwhile, this one is on. It's showing green. Can you see this light here? It's showing green now, meaning it's turned on. Okay, I just mistakenly turned it off. I had used this in the morning and that's why it is slow. Okay, so another disadvantage is that you just have to keep charging it, though it lasts well. If you charge it and it's full, you could make, wow, like you could use it for days, or you could use it for weekends. I don't know. You could make, let's say, 10 hours video if they are fully charged. That is how I normally use it. I use this once it's run down. I use this one as a backup. all right. So you could use it that way, and it is very like it lasts long when fully charged. The clip has just fallen. I'm trying to find it, but yeah, so let me just clip it to my top and show you how it sounds when clipped. Okay, so the clip has just fallen. I'm just going to hang it here. So this is the voice. This is how it sounds when it is clipped to my clothes. Like I said before, it works better when you are outdoor. That is when you actually feel that noise cancellation, but when you're indoors, there's really no much use for it. So yeah, that is it for this very video, a review of the K9 wireless microphone. If you have any question about this microphone, just type it down in the comments and I will definitely answer your questions. So I'm trying to get thumbnails now. All right, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.